Hi, my name is Caralynn. Yep, I'm 14 years old, and I will be singing Everything Else from Next to Normal. And you play till it's perfect. You play till you ache. You play till the strings or your fingernails break. So you rock that recital and get into Yale. So you won't feel so sick and you won't look so pale. Cause you got your full ride and your early admit. So you're done with this school and with all of this crap. And you'll graduate early. You're gone as of May. And there's nothing your paranoid parents can say. And you know that it's just a sonata away. And you play. And you play. And everything else goes away. Everything else goes away. Everything else goes away. Thank you.